Steam away. Master the art of steaming in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're stepping into the kitchen to learn about a wonderful cooking technique, steaming. This technique is not only healthy but is used worldwide, making it a valuable addition to your cooking vocabulary in English. Let's explore together. In the culinary world, steaming is a method of cooking that uses hot steam to gently and efficiently cook food. The food is placed in a steamer, which is a kind of container that allows the steam to circulate and cook the food. You will often see foods like vegetables, dumplings, and even certain types of fish being steamed. Remember, the food doesn't come into direct contact with the water. It is cooked by the steam. Let's expand our vocabulary related to steaming. 1. Steamer. This is the tool you use to steam food. It can be a standalone appliance, or an insert for a regular pot. 2. Steam. The gas that is produced when water gets hot. 3. Simmer. This is when you bring water to a temperature just below the boiling point where it starts to produce steam. 4. Bamboo steamer. A type of steamer made from bamboo, often used in Asian cuisine. 5. Steaming basket. A basket that can be inserted into a pot, turning it into a steamer. Now, let's learn some useful phrases that involve steaming. 1. Steam the vegetables until they are tender. This means to cook the vegetables in the steamer until they are soft enough to easily eat. 2. Let's simmer the water before we start steaming. This phrase is used when we want to heat the water to just below boiling before starting the steaming process. 3. Place the dumplings in the bamboo steamer. Here, we're specifying the type of steamer to use, a bamboo steamer. We've just taken a steamy journey into the world of cooking and learned about the technique of steaming in English. You've expanded your vocabulary and discovered some new phrases. Remember, practice makes perfect. So go out there and practice these new words and phrases. Maybe even try steaming some food yourself. We hope you found this lesson helpful, and as always, happy learning.